Uh... Oh no. What? Did it attack me? It is! It's attacking me! And somehow I'm still alive. Somehow, I am still breathing. I do not know how. Game, I hope you know that you're causing me a lot of pain and suffering right now. I've been playing you, hoping that something nice is gonna happen. I was like, oh my gosh, new area? What's the worst that could happen? Let me guess, I died 3 times and haven't even seen land. I'm literally just been swimming. Do you know how exhausting this is? My character wants to sue. Whoa, 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 whoa. If you hit me again, I will. Try that. Try that. Try and jump. Oh! I did it! Now who's the top dog? Now who's the huntsman? Yay! Hey, hey, in case any of you are like, oh my gosh, he killed that fish. It did nothing wrong. Well, 2 of them were trying to drown me earlier. I killed their cousin Timothy. Now we're fair, we're even. They tried to drown me? No. I'm Kemzel. I don't drown. Hey game, do you love me? Just between you and me, do you love me? Like, I feel like the answer should be yes. Hey game, do you love me? If the answer is yes, can you please kill these cursed creatures? No! You're kidding. Oh, you're mine now. You're mine. Oh, where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Yeah, you're mine. You're not leaving. You're not leaving. You will never enter the water again. You will never enter the water. No, get up here. Get up here. Get up. Get out of here. Get out of here. Bastard. Thank you for the rock, I guess. What does this rock do? I'll find out. And we slide down. Down the tube. Jump once more. And there we go. Thank you, game. Thank you. I didn't know you were so kind-hearted. I appreciate your sentiment about it. Game. Oh, it says go up there. Well, I for one believe I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna sit down, have fun, digest this food in my stomach, and then I'm gonna go see what you want me to see. Good night, sir. Alright guys, welcome back to another video of Kimzel. I just had to look up what these blue crystals do. Apparently they're the equivalent to flash grenades. What do you mean by flash grenades? It means that they can blind and kill literally anything they see, or anything you hit them with. Food. 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 Uh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I am very sorry. I am very, very sorry. I just found out what they do, and I wasted it because I was trying to get food. Thank you, game. I know. But I'm curious, Like, what's up? Huh. I love this game. They know that I don't want to follow what they're saying, so they're making me go everywhere else. They're making it so that if I try to go anywhere else than where it's telling me to go, I can't. Okay, game. You have my attention. You have my attention. Where are we going? What am I supposed to do? Oh, you're kidding. Guys, we're gaming. Guys. Pro gamer move. Guys, you're about to watch the most pro gamer move you ever see in your life. Watch this. Mind you, I'm doing all of this on PC, so it's even more impressive. Mind you, I've never played a PC game until this one. Guys, I've never played a PC game. No! Okay, it shows. But this is the most impressive thing I have ever done. I am so impressed. No! I have never played a PC game. I am the best. And this is how you play the... Oh, no! And what am I looking at? What am I looking at? Okay, so I'm supposed to go right. Yeah, nothing bad's gonna happen. Right? Look at this guy. These guys are friendly. These guys would never harm me. What are they eating? They're fighting. They're fighting over a piece of worm, over trash, over something that tried to kill me just a little bit ago. Okay, I just want the worm that's on my side to leave. I just want the worm that's on my side to leave, and I can, huh? What's this? What is the? No. Get off. What are you? Excuse me, sir. Please, I'm not on the menu. And you are on the menu. I am never on the menu. Okay, this might be the hard part. Please. Wait, where am I going? Oh, this way. Then why do you make me feel like I have to go somewhere else? But this place is pretty. I just want to take a moment to say this is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen right now. Beautiful. And guys, I want to give a shout out to my viewers. Shout out to everyone who watches my videos and smiles and comes back for more. I know, I'm giving a speech. Hey, I'm giving a speech. Shout out to you guys. You're the real gamers. Like, you guys see me and you're like, I like this guy. He makes me smile. Like, shout out to everyone who enjoys this content. I'm gonna keep making more. Just for you guys. Just for us. Thank you. And that just brought me to another place. Am I supposed to go this way? I'm sure I am. Whoa. Oh, okay. And oh, so I can't kill it. That's fun. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for something, for it to grab onto something, and then after it grabs onto something, I make my move. This will be fun. Huh, I don't have much time. Please. Oh, please. Oh, please. Just tell me so long as I pass you, you're not gonna grab me, right? I don't trust it. Yeah, it wants to grab me, it wants to grab me, it wants to grab me. Can it grab me? Oh, it can't grab me. What's that? I saw a huge tentacle. I should be fine, right? Okay. Get ready. We're about to move. Now. And we are dead. What's that? Oh! We should be fine, right? What's that? I'm safe. I'm safe. I am the safest slug cat ever! Whew. Whew. What do you guys do? What do you guys do? What do you guys do? Not enough. Not enough, I see. Bait. They save. Okay, bait. Move. Kim Jong, please. Okay, keep going. Okay, we made it. We made it. We're safe. We are safe. Nothing bad will happen to us. Nothing bad will happen to us. Get out of me. What is this? I still have so much time. And now I can predict. I can predict that right now I'm about to enter a safe place. I'm about to go hibernate right now because nothing bad. Can I? Hey, look. I'm tired. Look. I'm tired. We can go visit aliens later. I know you're excited. You're like, oh yay, aliens, let's go get them. No, not yet. I wanna go rest. Please, just give me another night. Just give me a night, please. That's all I'm asking. That's all I want. Please just give me a night. One night for a slug cat, please. Thank you, game. I knew I could rely on you. I don't even want to explore. I just want to be safe. I want to live. We are going full story mode, guys. Guess what time it is? Breakfast. I had to learn skills to play this game. That's how you know I love it. This game made me learn how to play. This game really told me it's all about the skills. If you can't do it, it's a skill issue. Look, normally I would love to go explore what's on the other side, but looking at all those creatures there, I only see death. This is true gaming. This is true gaming, guys. Guys, if you're not playing this game, I don't know if it's true gaming. This is true gaming. Like, this is what true gaming looks like. Climbing up. Because apparently climbing up is all we do. But no. Game. I was joking. You can't take a joke. I would never say anything to please you. Like, okay, and now let's see where we end up. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep going and just hope for the best. This isn't ominous at all. Oh yeah, completely safe. I mean, I would love to go for a swim here any day. Can I eat these things? No, I guess not. Oh, I guess this guy's like my little friend. What? Oh. Whoa. What? This is a mechanical construct? You know, a good man knows when to quit. Sorry, a good man knows when to call quits. I'll see you guys in the next video. Kemzel is outie.